Hey there, welcome back to Sheet Leveler. Today, I've got a super handy Excel trick for you extracting numbers from a cell without using complicated formulas or VBA. Ever needed to pull just the numbers from a messy dataset? Wish Excel could do it for you automatically? Well, good news. It totally can with a hidden gem called Flash Fill. Let's dive in and see how it works. What is Flash Fill? Flash Fill is like Excel's built-in pattern detective. You show it a few examples, and it figures out the rest for you. No formulas, no VBA, just pure magic. And trust me, this little trick can save you so much time. Let's try it out with a simple example. All right, here's the situation. We have a list of mixed data in column B, and we want to extract only the numbers into column C. Click into the first empty cell in column C, let's say C3. Manually type the numbers from the corresponding cell in column B. If B3 has ABC123, just type 123 in C3. Hit enter, simple enough, right? Now here's where the magic happens. Click back into C3 and press Ctrl+E, the shortcut for Flash Fill. Boom. Excel instantly recognizes the pattern and fills the rest of the column with the extracted numbers. No formulas needed. Isn't that amazing? What if Flash Fill doesn't work? Sometimes Flash Fill needs a little more guidance, especially when the data is tricky. Let's say Excel doesn't quite get the pattern the first time. No worries. Here's what to do. Instead of filling just one row, manually enter the numbers for 2 or 3 rows. Try Ctrl+E again. Excel now understands the pattern better. Still not working? There's another way. Go to the Data tab at the top. Find the Data Tools section and click on Flash Fill. And just like that, Excel does the work for you. Trust me, this small tweak makes a huge difference. However, if you need a dynamic solution, one that updates automatically when new data is added, you might need a formula instead. Want to learn how to do this with formulas or VBA? Let me know in the comments, and I'll make a tutorial just for you. Save even more time with Flash Fill. Flash Fill is such a powerful tool that can be used for tons of other tasks too, like splitting names, formatting dates, and more. Check out my other video, How to Use Flash Fill in Excel. The link is in the description below. Go ahead and test this out in your own Excel file. Let me know in the comments. Have you used Flash Fill before? What's your favourite Excel shortcut? And if this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.